Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. Today we are going to look at a product that will save you a ton of time this summer, the Mova Diver A10. This is Mova's first AI-powered robotic pool cleaner, and it's completely cordless. No more dragging long, tangled hoses across the yard or pool. Big thanks to Mova for sponsoring this video and sending the Diver A10 for us to check out. Now I've tested a few of these before, but this one claims you have really strong suction, smart navigation, and up to 4 hours of runtime. So real quick, we'll show you what comes in the box, and then we're going to put it to the test with real debris and real obstacles as well. Let's get started. Opening up the box, inside you have a quick start guide plus a user manual. You get a charger for the robot, a retrieval hook, which is nice just in case you need it, plus a fine filter for those ultra fine particles. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. And of course, you have the Diver A10, which has a really sleek and thoughtful design. Again, completely cordless. In the front, you get their sensor, that Pool Sense 2.0, plus a really large scrubber. On the side, you even have little wheels so you can get really close to the edges. I also really like the well-placed handle that's very comfortable to grab onto and very sturdy. And honestly, you literally just drop it in the pool and it gets to work. So let's talk about the main thing you should look for, and that is, of course, cleaning performance. The Diver A10 has a massive 22,700 LPH suction capacity, that's liters per hour, and it's driven by 3 high-efficiency brushless motors. Inside the pool, I scattered some random dirt on the floor, and the Diver A10 just effortlessly swept it all up, and even some rocks and leaves as well. And what's really nice is that it doesn't just move things around, it actually will suction them up in one pass. Not only that, but dust, hair, and even sand can get in your pool, and this handles it no problem. Another huge highlight is the battery life. It's rated for up to 240 minutes, which is about 4 hours, and can cover pools up to around 1,900 square feet. So for most home pools, this should be no problem and more than enough for a single cleaning. Once the robot's done cleaning, it'll park right on the side of the pool, just waiting for you. Just pull it on out of the water. Really easy to charge as well. The port's in the back. All you have to do is just plug it right in. Now, where things get really interesting, and there's a lot of tech being used, is the overall navigation. It uses what Mova calls Pool Navi, which basically maps out the pool and switches between different cleaning patterns. So instead of it just randomly going throughout your pool, it actually is systematic, which means better coverage and more reliability. Also, a lot of areas pool cleaners struggle with is the edges along the floor and wall where they meet. This uses edge pulse, which will help it stay aligned with the wall and close to the wall. And you can see it sticks pretty tight to the edges where debris usually builds up. It's just gonna collect and sit there, and I've had no issues with it disconnecting from the wall either. It will go up and down very consistently, and on the floor against the wall, it's in a straight line. And not just the wall cleaning, something you really don't see all the time is the dual waterline scrubbing. The Diver A10 will climb the wall and scrub the waterline. So yes, it will peek out above the water and clean the side of the pool. It will scrub the waterline twice and get rid of those oils and algae buildup, and it will reach up to 5 centimeters above the waterline to make sure the very edge of your pool is spotless. So not just under the water, but even above the water where a lot of people can see. You can switch modes with the button right up on top, but also you get app control. There are 8 different cleaning modes like wall only, floor only, full clean, etc. And you can even schedule your cleans. This is really nice. You can basically set it and forget it. You can even time out how long you want it to clean until it comes up and parks along the wall, and then you can just go grab it out of the pool. And speaking to it being on the wall, like I said, it never once became disconnected from the wall. Even when it was parking right there, it was doing the waterline scrubbing. It has such strong suction and pushing out towards the top that it will stay on the wall, just kind of waiting for you to grab it out. When you own a pool, you know there's always going to be obstacles. Nothing is just perfect. There's steps, there's ladders, there's drains, there's toys sitting at the bottom. This is where that AI comes in. The Diver A10 uses AI detection to recognize objects and avoid them. And after putting some toys down at the bottom of the pool, it was very obvious. It kind of stopped and avoided all of where the toys were, so you don't have to worry about it sucking sucking up those objects that are just left over. Now, where is all this dirt and debris going? The Diver A10 has a really nice filtration system built into it. You just flip the top over and you can pull that filter right out. Inside, this is a 3.5 liter filtration basket, and it does have that fine mesh filter, and it really did grab everything. It clearly was working based on all the dirt that was in there, the amount of leaves, rocks, and it even picked up a Band-Aid, so it's just picking up everything that just happens to be in a pool. It's pretty gross, but it's nice to see it working well. And so after all that testing, I have to say the biggest strength is definitely that suction. It really grabbed all of the dirt and everything I threw at it. I have no worries that this would keep my pool clean. Also, the other two really great things about this is the battery life. Again, up to 4 hours is more than enough to clean a normal sized pool. And then of course that smart navigation, not having to worry about looking in the filter and be like, oh, there's a ton of toys in there, anything like that. It knows when to avoid objects. This makes it a lot more efficient, and it's not random. It's very clear it's going in a very specific path along the floor or along the wall. So if you're tired of using that pool net to clean, or those cleaners with those ropes, this might be the way to go. If you have a medium or large size pool, definitely be sure to check out the Diver A10. So let me know what you think. I will be sure to link to everything down in the description of the video below. A lot more to come, so be sure to subscribe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.